Hi, welcome to the Muir Estate Winery. My name is Jonathan Murray, and with my wife Leslie, we own this property. We came here in May 2003 and opened in May 2009. We have a 20-acre vineyard which we planted 5 years ago. It's been a very fulfilling and enjoyable time. We have 2 other vineyards, making a total of about 150 acres. Grapes were grown in Nova Scotia many years ago, but it's only recently that the industry has taken off. We're at the same latitude as Bordeaux, France, and other European wine growing areas, but we do not have the benefit of the Gulf Stream, so our growing season and ripening season is considerably shorter. This in turn means that we can't grow the same types of grapes that perhaps we can grow in France or Italy. One aspect of wine growing that all winemakers agree is that poor grapes cannot make good wine, so the wine is made in the vineyard. So how do we do it? First of all, we choose the best grapes for the land. Secondly, we give the plants room to grow. For instance, the red varieties need 6 feet apart, whereas the white varieties need only 5. We are dedicated to quality, and we only take 1 to 1.5 tons of grapes per acre off our vineyard, whereas the norm is 3 to 4 tons. The next step is to design the trellis. We have chosen the VSP system, which is vertical shoot positioning, and it means that the plant can grow between 2 cage wires very easily, and it's much more easily controlled. We also want to make sure that the leaves get as much sunlight as possible, and so allowing the grapes to ripen. When we plant a new grape, what we do is monitor its growth and sugar levels to see what the grape and the land can do together. It takes about 4 years before we can get a decent harvest from these grapes. We also remove half the grapes before they develop, because we feel that by doing this cluster thinning, we get a better quality of grape and almost as much quantity, but we're very much into the quality aspect of our wines. The quality of the wine reflects the terroir, which is a mixture of climate, soil type and topography. If we get ideal situations, then we can probably ripen even more difficult grapes to grow. And certainly in our south-facing vineyards, we expect to be able to grow Chardonnay and Riesling. The ideal acid content, or pH, for the whites is 3.3 and for the reds 3.4. If we can make these numbers, we will make a vintage year and the wine will be superb. Can we do it this year? We're going to try.